Here in this table, I want to enter only registration numbers. Let's see whether these registration numbers are there in the student master data or not. Yes, it is there. Okay. So I will enter only registration number here in these cells, and I expect that it should auto generate name, gender and SC, ST, BC, that status. Name, gender, SC, ST, BC status. Since it is already there, we can capture it in this table. So how VLOOKUP will work? Let's see, for the sake of understanding, we will enter this particular number 2030. Now how VLOOKUP works? I want to have name here in this particular cell with reference to 2030 is equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this cell address C16 separated by comma. Now what is next part? Table array. Where is table array? In master data. Go back to master data. From where should I select it? Registration number. Though there is a column serial number, why registration number? I want to look up registration number as a reference in my data. That is why I should select that column first with column headings. So registration number as my first column and rest of the columns. Okay. So let's tell Q. Let me extend till the 6500th row and make it a practice to make it absolute. The moment you enter the range table array, mark the address with $mark, because while dragging the formula, copying the formula, we don't want to change the table array. Table array should be there, it should be fixed. Next, where is my name from registration number in master data? Second, registration number 1, name second. So write only number 2, comma. What we want to have, look at here. Approximate match or exact match. We want to have exact match for this number 2030. So we have to use false and close the bracket. That's all. And if you drag the formula for rest of the cells, initially it will show you error because no content in these cells. Okay. Now if you want to cross verify what is at 2030 in student master, 2030 is Sonali Sharma. Even it is not only 2030, you put randomly any number. Suppose 2020 here. You enter 2020 here. Rajesh Kulkarni C. Rajesh Kulkarni. If you want to see what is 2005. 2005. Dhananjay Kulkarni. Got it?